تمام يا نجوى، ودي مقالة جديدة عن السيارات الرياضية الفاخرة، محتوى مخصص لإنتاج فيديو مدته 10 دقائق بواسطة InVideo AI. عنوان المقال: Luxury Sports Cars, Combining Performance, Design, and Technology. Luxury sports cars are the epitome of automotive excellence, blending exhilarating performance with sleek designs and cutting-edge technology. These cars are engineered not just to be fast, but to provide an unforgettable driving experience. In this article, we explore what makes luxury sports cars so desirable, the top models that define the category, and the technology behind their world-class performance. What defines a luxury sports car? A luxury sports car is more than just a car, it's a symbol of status, performance, and design. Here's what sets these cars apart from the rest. 1. Performance. The heart of a luxury sports car is its high-performance engine. These cars are equipped with powerful V6, V8, or even V12 engines that offer incredible acceleration, top speeds, and exceptional handling. 2. Precision handling. Sports cars are designed to be extremely responsive. Advanced suspension systems, active aerodynamics, and torque vectoring technologies ensure these vehicles maintain exceptional handling and cornering stability at high speeds. 3. Elegant design. Luxury. Sports cars are known for their aerodynamic lines, aggressive stance, and visually stunning exteriors. Inside, they offer a premium experience with high-end materials such as leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum, ensuring both style and comfort. 4. Cutting-edge technology. From driver assistance systems to infotainment, luxury sports cars are equipped with the latest automotive technologies. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping assist, and dynamic driving modes make driving more convenient and enjoyable. Ferrari. Ferrari is synonymous with performance and exclusivity. The Ferrari 488 GTB and Ferrari LaFerrari are legendary examples of the brand's commitment to blending cutting-edge technology with stunning design. The roar of a Ferrari engine and the precision of its handling are unmatched in the industry. Lamborghini. Lamborghini sports cars are known for their bold designs and mind-blowing performance. Models like the Lamborghini Aventador and Huracan are powered by powerful V10 and V12 engines and feature aggressive styling that makes a bold statement on the road. Porsche. The Porsche 911 is one of the most iconic sports cars ever made. Known for its perfect balance of performance and luxury, the 911 continues to be the benchmark for what a sports car should be. Porsche combines performance with practicality, making it one of the most well-rounded luxury sports cars available. Aston Martin. Aston Martin brings British sophistication and high performance together in models like the Aston Martin Vantage and the DB11. These cars are crafted for those who appreciate a blend of timeless design and powerful performance. McLaren. McLaren specializes in high-performance sports cars that offer an exhilarating driving experience. The McLaren 720S and McLaren P1 are known for their track-ready performance and state-of-the-art technology. These cars are engineered for speed, agility, and precision. Bugatti. Bugatti produces some of the most exclusive and high-performance sports cars in the world. The Bugatti Chiron is a testament to the brand's commitment to speed and luxury, featuring a quad-turbocharged W16 engine that pushes the limits of what a sports car can achieve. Key features of luxury sports cars. Luxury sports cars are packed with advanced features that contribute to their unparalleled performance and driving experience. 1. High-performance engines. Whether it's a V8, V12, or hybrid powertrain, luxury sports cars are equipped with engines that deliver exceptional acceleration and speed. Cars like the Ferrari 488 GTB and McLaren 720S offer 0-60 mpb times of under 3 seconds. 2. Dynamic suspension systems. Many luxury sports cars come with adaptive suspension systems that adjust to the road conditions and driving style. This ensures a smooth ride while maintaining precise handling. 3. Aerodynamic design. These cars are designed with aerodynamics in mind to reduce drag and increase performance at high speeds. Features like active spoilers and vented hoods help manage airflow and enhance stability. 4. Advanced infotainment systems. Luxury sports cars come with cutting-edge infotainment and navigation systems, providing seamless connectivity, entertainment, and advanced control systems. 5. Premium interior materials. The interiors of luxury sports cars are often finished with hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber trim, and fine wood accents, creating a truly luxurious experience for the driver and passengers. 6. Active safety features. Many luxury sports cars are equipped with driver assistance systems like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision warning, all aimed at improving safety while enhancing driving convenience. The driving experience. Driving a luxury sports car is a thrilling experience that is unmatched by most other vehicles. One of the standout features of luxury sports cars is the instant torque provided by the engine. Unlike traditional gasoline-powered cars, these vehicles offer instant acceleration the moment you press the gas pedal. Precision handling. Luxury sports cars are engineered for responsive steering and exceptional handling, ensuring the car feels connected to the road. Dynamic suspension systems adjust to road conditions, maintaining a smooth ride while delivering precise control. Exhilarating speed. The raw power of these cars delivers an adrenaline-pumping ride. With top speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour in some models, luxury sports cars are built for those who crave excitement behind the wheel, comfort and luxury. Despite their performance focus, luxury sports cars are designed to be comfortable. Advanced climate control, heated seats, and premium sound systems ensure a luxurious driving experience even during high-speed drives. The future of luxury sports cars is bright, with continuous advancements in technology, performance, and sustainability. Here's what's coming next. 1. Electric and hybrid sports cars. With the shift toward electric mobility, luxury sports car manufacturers are introducing electric sports cars that offer the same level of performance, but with zero emissions. Cars like the Porsche Taycan and Ferrari SF90 Stradale are leading the way. 2. Autonomous driving. Self-driving technology is slowly making its way into sports cars. In the future, luxury sports cars may come with autonomous driving features, allowing drivers to relax while the car takes over. 3. Advanced materials. The use of lightweight, high-strength materials like carbon fiber and aluminum will continue to improve performance by reducing the weight of the vehicle. This will help improve acceleration, fuel efficiency, and handling. 4. Enhanced connectivity. Luxury sports cars will become more connected in the future, integrating with smart devices, wearable tech, and autonomous driving systems to create an even more seamless and futuristic driving experience. References. 1. Ferrari 488 GTB, Unleashing Performance, Ferrari.com. 2. Lamborghini Aventador, Pure Power and Precision, Lamborghini.com. 3. McLaren 720S, The Ultimate Driving Machine, McLaren.com. هل تحبي المقال الجاي يكون عن السيارات الكهربائية الفاخرة أو التكنولوجيا في السيارات؟ تمام يا نجوى، ودي مقالة جديدة عن السيارات الرياضية الفاخرة، محتوى مخصص لإنتاج فيديو مدته 10 دقائق بواسطة InVideo AI. عنوان المقال